Hey there, it's me, Julie Fei-Fan Balzer. I am a painter, a printmaker, and a collage artist living and working outside of Boston, and welcome to my studio. So today I thought that we could talk about beginnings. The blank canvas, the blank page, whatever it is incredibly problematic for me and for a lot of other people. So I thought I would show you my sort of general approach to beginnings, which I'll give you a quick preview. And I would encapsulate it as mess it up so that you have something to work with. And this is the theory of why I worked in junk journals for years. I still do. Why I just generally try to get something out instead of having, that blank white space staring at you. So let's do it. So I have a small collection of collage paper and a messy piece of paper that I'm using as a substrate. It's important that the collection of papers is small because it's like using a limited palette of paint. And here I'm just kind of filling the space and vaguely following the lines with the papers, and of course using the natural cutouts that the papers, their scraps, had as well. So why is it necessary that it's a limited palette of colors? Well, because I think at the beginning, you want to give yourself the biggest opportunity to succeed. And part of doing that is by keeping things a little bit limited. So that kind of future you, if you can think of yourself that way, that future you will have the opportunity to come back and make sense of what you left behind. And if it's 100,000 different things, then it's harder and harder for future you to do anything with it, right? They have to do a lot more work. So, it's also mostly warm colors and then this sort of one cool colored paper. Now, in terms of the collage that I'm doing, it's just putting down some gel medium and then putting some gel medium on top so that the paper gets sealed in there. My gel medium of choice is Golden Soft Gel Medium. It's great to work with. It holds down a wide variety of weights of papers. I really, really like it. So I highly recommend it. Give it 2 thumbs up. Um, I think the mistake that a lot of people make in the early stages of the work is too much thought, too much preciousness, too much of a desire for it to be perfect, for it to already be good. My general belief is that your work should be pretty bad until it's done, because if it were great right now, then it would be done. The point is that I'm just trying to put stuff out. There's a teacher who I've been taking a class from, a painter named Rob Zott, and he talks a lot about information. And what he says is that you're just trying to get information, to go out onto your substrate. And that's exactly what this is. It's information going out. So I don't know what this piece will become, if it will become, or anything else. And I don't need to. That's the beauty of a beginning. I'm just trying to get something done so that I have something to react to the next time I sit down to work. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this quick little visit, this artful studio vlog, I hope that you will check out my Friday newsletter. You can subscribe using the link below. I'd love to have you do that, and you get to hear about all the ins and outs, and you kind of get like a blog post in your inbox every Friday, along with information about classes, art I'm selling, details of whatever videos have gone out that week, all that kind of stuff. So you get to be in the know. And of course, I'd love it if you would subscribe to this YouTube channel, give me a thumbs up. I'd love it if you tell somebody about my channel, because that always helps new people discover my videos. So as always, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you the next time.